Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So very quickly, I'm a professional trader and I'm doing right now some YouTube videos where I want to discuss with you guys everything that I see at work, all the different tools and techniques that I use to make money on the markets. So I mostly talk about technical analysis, but I like also to talk about the option market and the synthetic short interest, the delta, the gamma squeeze, all the stuff, and to explain to you what I see. So in this video, I want to make a complete update on GameStop. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so for those who have watched my previous video, let's start on the 4 hours time frame. You are wondering where is the third wave, and let's be honest, me too. Me too, but I found something that I want to show you here that is actually, to me, explaining everything, and you're gonna understand what I mean very soon. The first thing, let me remind you my scenario, and let me quickly remind you what I was saying. So this is a 1, this is a 2, and then I was seeing a third wave, bam, 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 and we go to 800. All right, so this was my view last week. But remember guys, for those who have watched my videos, what I was saying that I don't see any bearish divergence. So I don't see any reason for the price action suddenly to drop because I don't have any early signal. I see a MACD on the daily time frame that is positive now, so it's good. We were trading above the 173 level before when I did my last update. So I was telling you guys, this is a major pivot point. Let me put it like this. Maybe it's a bit too big. Sorry. Up. All right, so this 173 guys, I'm not going to go through this again, but it had like a lot of reactions in the past, and it's to me it's at the center of my analysis. And we were trading above, so I was telling you, all right, everything is good. But remember what I was telling you as well, that I'm missing something that is very important in third waves, is volumes. And you know, right now I need to adapt. Here I was not sure, but I was okay, maybe it's like doing something like this, like small 1-2s, 1 2, this is a 3, that's for 5, and inside this one I thought maybe 1 2 like this, you know, and I was trying to see something like this. But once again guys, we can do 1-2s, 1-2s, 1-2s like this, and finally get the third of the third of the third, and then just have more volume and go up. But let's be honest guys, you know, I felt something was wrong here, and right now I see the truth. I see what is happening, and let me explain to you what I see. So basically, when you cannot find an easy counting, when you see that something is missing, that something is, you know, doesn't look good, you need usually to go towards complex corrections. You usually then are in a correction, and you just cannot identify exactly what it is. And here guys, I went to the book, so I'm going to show you this very soon, but you can find it online, and I'm going to show you exactly guys what information I used in this book about ELLIOTT wave theory to come up with this answer. But this is actually a double 3. So what is a double 3? A double 3 or triple 3 is just a combination of corrective patterns that is moving sideways. And here guys, as you can see, we are having my pivot point that I use for like a month, 1 or 2 months, and we are just, you know, moving around this, as you can see, going sideways. So this put me on the right path, telling me that we are probably doing a complex correction. Then I just needed to identify the patterns. My ABC here has always been here, it didn't change, but this whole mess that I could not, you know, that I could not find a counting that is fitting properly with all the indicators going together like volume, is actually guys a triangle, and now I see it very clearly. So what we're having is just a double 3. It's the association, a combination of 2 corrective patterns. So maybe we're gonna have one more, we can do triple 3s, but as we should move sideways, I'm expecting the second corrective pattern, the second 3, to be the last one. And let me develop my view a bit more here. So I think we are just doing here a triangle. After doing this ABC, we are doing a triangle. All right. So this is still my second wave, guys. So it doesn't change anything that the third wave is going to come. It is just explaining what kind of correction we're having, and it is giving us hints when it should be finished. And here, let me just check if this is all making sense. If yes, I should find ABCs everywhere. So here, ABC, ABC, very clean. A, B, C, very clean again, and ABC, guys. All right. So this is telling me that we are indeed in a triangle. So what can we expect now? So I don't know if the D wave is here or here, whatever, but what we can expect now, guys, is another ABC. All right, something like this. So I give you my view for the coming week. I think we are gonna rebound around 150. We won't be trading lower than this, even 154. I don't think GameStop would be trading lower than this. I think we're gonna go back to the pivot point, get rejected, then rebound again on the downward sloping trend line that is acting as support here on the lower band of my triangle around 165, then go to the upper band. We then gonna finish the E wave of the triangle. Triangles have 5 waves. Then this would bring us in the 14th of May around, so during the end of the week. So I think this week is gonna be bullish. And then we're gonna have probably, so either we're doing one more tree, all right, so it's possible, so kind of a zigzag, and then we go higher, all right, this is possible. But this is not my preferred scenario. And once again, I use other indicators to tell me this. So if I see any bearish divergence here, it would maybe make me think that this is what is happening. But for now, this is not the case at all. We are around this pivot point, and I think that if we break it on the upside, it's going to hold. And I expect something like this. We get rejected here, we go higher, we take this level, we go higher, and we finally go to the upside and do this third wave. So this is what I think. Very quickly, guys, what I want to show you as well is that all the information I'm giving you, is not something that I just take from my mind. You just type Elliott wave principle, frost and pressure PDF in Google. You take the second link, guys. Here you do Control F and you type 3, and the fifth information you're going to find. So this is the Elliott wave principle book, guys. This is a lot of precious information, not easy to read though. And here, let me just read for you guys what I found this morning. Once again, it took me around 2 hours before coming up with this scenario that I believe in very strongly. So Elliott called sideways combinations of corrective patterns, double threes and triple threes. While a single 3 is any zigzag or flat, we know that zigzag and flat, they have 3 waves ABC. A triangle is an allowable final component of such combinations. In this context is called a 3. So basically you can use a triangle as a 3. So it's just, to show you guys that this is not coming from me, it's coming from the book. That's why my second 3 is actually a triangle. A double or triple 3 then is a combination of simpler types of corrections. So it becomes then a complex correction, which is not easy to spot, guys. That's why I was struggling a bit with it, including the various types of zigzags, flat and triangles. All right, that's exactly what I told you. The occurrence appears to be the flat correction's way of extending sideways action. You can see that this is exactly what is happening. As with double and triple zigzag, each simple corrective pattern is labeled W, Y, and Z. All right, we don't care about that. So once again, you can see, guys, here we are moving sideways, and this whole mess is just a very complex correction that I just identified right now, and I'm giving it to you right away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I managed to explain to you how in trading we adapt, how we actually guess that something is wrong. Here it was with the volumes. So, I would not stay in my scenario that I know is not happening. I quickly try to adapt to find a solution and come up with a new view that is actually just delaying my original view that is anyway a 1, 2 and a 3 coming, that is going to go much higher, and then of course 4 and 5. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.